Good morning, students, and welcome to your maths class. Today, we will learn about heavy and light objects. Every day, we see different things around us. Some of them are heavy and them are lightweight. Let's see some examples. A book is heavy. A pencil is lightweight. A chair is lightweight. A bed is heavy. Look at this picture. There is an elephant and a baby elephant. Can you tell me which of them is heavier? Right. Elephant is heavier than baby elephant. Let's see one more example. Look at this picture. There is a bird and a sheep. Can you tell me which of them is heavy and which of them is light? Good job. Sheep is heavier than a parrot.